Ah, welcome to the apocalypse. Let's have some food. So, the other day, I made crepes. Big deal. Crepes, just French pancakes. You can make a pancake, you can make a crepe. I even got a show on it on the channel. But the thing is, when you make crepes, you end up with leftover crepes. So, I did the originals, filled them with a little bit of ham, a little bit of Swiss cheese, a little bit of asparagus, folded them up, covered in a Mornay sauce with cheddar and mushrooms, and had a good meal. But we got these leftovers. So here you go. Here's a leftover crepe. You'll notice I trimmed the edge off. That's because crepes can be kind of eggy, egg flavored. And so what you do is you take that with the edge cut off, you put in, I don't know, something like a cherry cream cheese mix. That's some fresh cherries, which the market has an excess of these days, driving me nuts. So, cherries that you pit and cut up. Yes, I have a cherry pitter. Mix with about a third. A package of cream cheese, a little sour cream, a little bit of sugar. And you make a goo. Basically, cheesecake filling. I like the sour cream because I like more of a tart flavor. But if you want, you could add some vanilla and maybe a little lemon. And make just this nice cheesecake filled crepe. So what does it look like? Well, you add some whipped cream on top. Oh yeah. And if you're lucky, you'll end up with something that looks kind of like this. Can I tilt it? Can I tilt it? Oh yeah. So that's dessert tonight. A crepe. Notice the side missing, so there's not too much egg flavor. Stuffed with little cherry cream cheese filling. Topped with whipped cream and some pitted cherries. Okay. Yep, it's so hard. It's so hard to do this. Now, the reason this video title references January 6th is because of the YouTube algorithm. If I want this channel to survive, I got to do something political. And what I noticed a few years ago when I actually did comment is my video went viral almost immediately. Yeah. And then I had to take that down. You can imagine, January 6th and all the comments. So for the YouTube algorithm, I will mention that I live in a kind of rural area. Every house around here has a gun. And you need it. The other day I had to chase a bear off my front porch. So we got a lot of Trump people and all that. And when January 6th came around, we all practically had engraved invitations. Yeah. The only people surprised by January 6th were the Capitol Police. We knew it was happening. I had the house locked down and a gun by the front door. So I'll remind you that the invitation was not to a tea party. It was to something kind of exciting. Now, let's see if the YouTube algorithm picks that up and I get famous. So that's it. This is social media. Please be good social citizens and subscribe as I try to use this cheap mouse. Thank you. Good.